Hello traders, this is Forex Nelson and I'm back again today with another 6 trades. Today's date is March the 18th and of course I'm using my new Magic Scalper trading system. By the way, I took last week off, took a 1-week vacation. I needed a break, at least from doing the YouTube videos. I was trading as I was traveling and I enjoyed myself, and all traders should take a break from time to time. When you come back, you have a refresh mind and able to see the charts a little bit more clearer. So anyhow, now I'm back doing my videos as usual. Love trading using my Magic Scalper, as it is a simple system, not too many indicators. And what I love about it is you can trade anything that your broker offers you. If you can get it into the market watch, you can trade using the Magic Scalper. Now obviously Forex is good, but trading the indexes is even better, as they move a lot more and they pay a lot more. Remember, there's 4 things you're going to need to succeed at trading. You'll need a lot of chart time, a lot of demo trading, a lot of education. I can provide you with a lot of education, and of course you're going to need some kind of a daily trade plan. Now you must think like you're learning to become a doctor or lawyer. You should be buying more education every 2 or 3 months if you want to succeed at trading. Of course, when you buy from me, I do give support, and without support, you will more than likely still fail at trading. Now after you buy from me, I'll tell you more very important secrets to successfully trading the markets in a free Skype call. Now if you leave your name and email address, I'll put you on my email list for free weekly trading tips. So every morning at 6 o'clock, I try to get in front of the computer before the open of the New York session. This is London, goes all the way over till 11 a.m., which is right here, by the way. So this is New York, London, and this is Asian. So I'm looking at a whole bunch of instruments, and of course I'm taking a look at my daily trade plan. Now here's my daily trade plan. It's running in real time as it approaches 10 a.m. New York time. It can change, especially on the lower time frames, the 30 minutes and the 1 hour. It can easily go from red to flat to blue. So what I do is I look at the daily trade plan, check out all the different time frames, and then after it does the calculations in the comments, it'll either suggest look for bearish or bullish trades, and sometimes it'll just say flat or like not enough strength. Now if you're trading without some kind of a daily trade plan, well, that is one good reason why you are still struggling. If you have any questions, well, just get in contact with me, and all my contact information is right below this video. Okay, let's get into these trades. The first one was the Euro Aussie. Sold this one. Let's see where I got in at. Well, it's not a big decision to make. Between the Heikin-Ashi candles turning red and the red arrows, well, I was quite sure it was going to go down, and down it went. And at this point I closed out the trade being happy. Looks like with about 15 pips, and those pips paid out $105. By the way, just to let you know, the daily trade plan works fantastic But sometimes when the market is just going sideways, up and down, well, then you have to trade slightly different. And I teach that within the training videos, like how to trade the pullbacks. From here to there is a pullback, pullback. If you're going up, so it's in a cycle right now and it's working its way back up. So I teach all of these secrets within the training videos. Okay, moving right along. The Euro CAD is the next one. Want it to be selling it. Same thing. There's the pullback. And it died out and now could easily go back up again. Took the trade at that cursor and I closed it out here just being happy. Looks like with about 20 pips. And those pips paid out $147. Okay, let's move on to the next trade. It's the futures, the indexes, they move a lot more, they pay a lot more as you can clearly see. So on this Dow Jones, bought it. So let's drag and drop this up, see where it got in at. Arrow from the daily trade plan, everything's saying great. Blue arrow from the super signal. So easy decision to make. Now it does pay $5 for each tick, so I took the money divided by 5 and the calculator says it should be about 110. There it is right there. It's 110 ticks. And that ended up paying out $550. Okay, moving on to the next trade, the S&P. It's exactly the same as the Dow Jones. Pays $5 for each tick. So let's see, S&P 500. Let's drag and drop this up. It looks like it did exactly the same as the Dow Jones. So, by the way, this trade did qualify for a great way to trade. Daily trade plan, super signal, Heikin-Ashi candles, everything was saying to buy. So I bought it at that point. Now I took the money divided by 5 and the calculator says it should be 142. Let's see. Hopefully I can get that. 142. Oh, that's as close as I'm going to be able to show. But it is 142 ticks, paying out $712. Okay, moving on to the next trade, the NASDAQ. NASDAQ pays $20 for each tick. So let's drag and drop this up, see where it got in at. Another one qualified for a great way to trade. Daily trade plan, super signal, Heikin-Ashi. So I took everything saying to buy, including down at the bottom. Took the money divided by 20. Calculator says it's approximately 49. So let's go and see and look for those 49. There it is right there. You remove the last 2 digits. And those 49 ticks paid out $984. Okay, moving on to the last trade here, which is Russell. Now the Russell, another one that's just going up and down. So sometimes on these days, well, for me it's not tricky, but for a lot of traders it is tricky, as a lot of traders are buying right in this area. But my system was telling me it's not going to go any further up, so if it's not going to go up, it's going to go down. So that's exactly what I did. I sold it. Should have got in over here, but it's not too late, and it's still, well, pays $10 for each tick. So looking at the money, easy to see that this is 115 ticks. So let's see, got in at this cursor and I close it out here. There it is right there, 115 ticks, paying out $1,150. So another great day of trading using my magic scalper. I knew it was going to be well over 200 pips and ticks. I added up all the pips and the ticks. Grand total came to 451. most of them were actually ticks, and all of those pips and ticks paid out $3,649. So if your system's not producing, like my Magic Scalper, I recommend you get your hands on it, and don't forget about the daily trade plan. Now if you have any questions, or you want to buy anything at all, quite simple, just get in contact with me. Quite simple to do that. All you have to do is look right below this video in the description. Like you'll see a banner, the word more, just click on it, opens up another box, give you all my contact information, plus a lot of other information. Now you can pick up the phone and call me directly. I answer most of the time. And or you can send me an email. Now I really do prefer Skype. That's why I made a link in the description. All you got to do is click on it, even if you think you don't have Skype. Well, we'll have a Skype connection, and at that point I'll be able to answer your questions and even do a screen sharing as I'm answering your questions. Also in the description you'll find 4 different packages and everything that I teach within each and every one of those packages. Now I recommend you get at least 3 of the 4, and I do have a special offer. If you buy any 2 packages, I'll give you 1 of the other 2 packages for free. So it's just about time to wrap up this video. And of course, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trading day and video, I want to wish you good luck with your trading, and remember to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.